Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off the night mode in Apple Watch Ultra 2 in 2026. Now, night mode is linked to a Wayfinder watch face. So you need to simply press and hold your watch screen to edit the watch face. Just make sure that you are using the Wayfinder face. Now you need to rotate the digital crown as you scroll. You will see the red night mode turned off and the normal display is going to basically return. This is the quickest and the most direct method that you can use. Now, if you don't want night mode at all, you can just simply press and hold and basically you can press and hold the screen and then swipe to another watch face like modular or infograph. Night mode only works on the Wayfinder, so switching the faces also removes it instantly. Now, sometimes night mode turns on automatically in the low light. So in order to fix it or in order to control this, you need to simply go to the watch option in your iPhone. Then simply look for the option of face gallery. Inside face gallery, look for the option of Wayfinder. In it, look for the option of night mode settings. Now, when you see the night mode settings, you just have to turn it off, the automatic night mode if it is available. This particular step is going to prevent from activating again in the dark environments. So you can try these methods and this way you can basically turn off the night mode in Apple Watch Ultra 2. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.